Getting a safe and free whooping cough vaccine between 20 to 32 weeks of pregnancy helps protect bubbas from whooping cough while they're still too young to get vaccinated themselves. Whooping cough is an infection that makes it hard to breathe with severe coughing fits. It can be really serious for babies, sometimes causing brain damage, pneumonia, and even death. So vaccination is really important. Yarn to your midwife or health worker about getting your free maternal vaccinations for influenza, whooping cough, and RSV. And remember, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to protect bub in pregnancy.